Create a recording from a lecture hosted on Microsoft Teams. Firstly, open the Glean web application. In Glean, create a new event from the home page or the Collections tab. Name the lecture and import the PowerPoint slides or PDF. Next, go to your online timetable and locate the online lecture you are wanting to join. Then, click on the link to join the lecture in your web browser. Select Open in web browser if this is an option. Make sure you do not use the installed app version of Teams. From here, follow any further instruction on Teams, such as joining with camera and mic on or off. Once you have joined the online lecture, go back to Glean and press the red Record button and then select Browser tab Audio. In the next box that pops up, select your web browser where the lecture is located, be that Chrome or Edge, from the top three options, and then choose the specific tab. Finally, click Share to then begin recording. You can then snap Glean and Teams to separate sides of your screen so you can see the two at the same time, or alternatively swap between the two if you prefer. You may want to reduce the amount of information in Glean to minimize its screen space, or if you have two monitors, you can put the lecture information or the lecture slides on the second screen. You can then start to annotate and move to the next slide as required, and then see annotating a recording for more information on this.